Good morning, dear children. We finished 3 chapters question answers. Today we are going to go with the 4th chapter, weather and climate question answers. Chapter number 4, weather and climate. We'll go with the question answers. Who am I? First one. I keep on changing. It is weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. I am not say the same at all places. Climate. I am the solid state of water droplets. It is snow, S-N-O-W, snow, or hail, H-A-I-L. Next, I am present in the atmosphere in the form of vapor. I am present in the atmosphere in the form of vapor. It is moisture. Next is answer the following question. Why is the climate of Mahabaleshwar cool? Why is the climate of the Mahabaleshwar cool? As we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of the air decreases. And because of that, Mahabaleshwar is located at high altitude on the top above the sea level. It is in Sahyadri Mountains, so therefore the climate in Mahabaleshwar is cool. Why is the climate near the sea humid? The climate near the sea is humid because of the heating of sea water. Because of the heating of sea water, water vapor gets mixed in the air. Air near the sea area having higher temperature holds a greater amount of moisture. Therefore, the climate near the sea is humid. Next, what is the difference between the weather and climate? What is the difference? Weather is described on the basis of the conditions prevailing at the given time, while climate is described on the basis of conditions prevailing over a longer period. Weather is described at the given time, but climate is described on the basis over a longer period. Weather keeps on changing frequently, and we can experience changes in the weather very easily. Changes in the climate take place over a longer period. These changes are not perceived so easily. Next, what are the elements? What are the elements of weather? Temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, precipitations are the elements of weather. What effects do nearness to the sea and the height of the sea level or mean sea level have on the climate? The effect of nearness to the sea on the climate first. The effect of nearness to the sea on the climate. Because of the heating of sea water, water vapor gets mixed in the air. Air near the sea area having higher temperature holds a greater amount of moisture. Therefore, the climate near the sea is humid. Second point, in the interior continental regions, the air holds comparatively less amount of moisture. Therefore, the climate in the interior continental region is dry. First I told the A part, now for the B part, the effect of height above the mean sea level of the climate. First it was the effect of nearness to the sea on the climate. Now second, the effect of height above the mean sea level on the climate. The earth's surface gets heated from the sun. As a result, the surface gets heated up. The air near the surface of the earth receives the maximum heat. As we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of the air decreases. Next, that is for the climatic regions over here. For the climatic conditions mentioned in the table, name the representative places you know. Use an atlas. If you have an atlas where all the maps are there, in that it is shown all the areas. First one, that is hot. So which area is more hot? That is Bhopal, Bhopal. Second, hot and humid. It is Mumbai. Cold, it is Munnar, Munnar. Hot and dry, it is Nagpur. Cold and dry, it is Mahabaleshwar. Now next, weather. Complete the following table. That is weather, short-lived condition of atmosphere over here. Climate. So that is an activity of complete the following table. Okay. Short-lived condition, that is you do by your own. How you can write, it is like your activity work. If you want, I can tell you the answer. So over here, short-lived condition of the atmosphere, the climate. How will it be the climate? You have to write about the climate. Next, does not change quickly, expressed with respect to specific place. Okay, as well as over here, elements of climate is given. So you have to write about, that is weather over there. Okay, as it is on the above, we read it beforehand. You can write C over there and write it. So please write your question answers in your notebook. If you have not written, please write it. Thank you. Have a great day. And please read the chapters, because when we give Google question answers, we give from the chapters, from the lesson. So please read it. Please. Thank you.